Nifty steadies as investors digest RBI's cautious stance. WTI crude above $75 amid Middle East tensions. Biocon reports strong Q3 results. Gift Nifty is little changed this morning. Investors are seen digesting RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das' hawkish tone, raising bets that the MPC monetary policy will remain restrictive for longer. As widely expected amid persistent price pressures, the Reserve Bank of India held its benchmark policy repo at 6.5% for the sixth consecutive meeting. The latest move came after annual inflation accelerated to a 4-month high of 5.69% in December due to rising food prices. Additionally, RBI projected economic growth for the fiscal year 2025 at 7%. WTI crude oil futures have risen above $75 per barrel, climbing for the fourth straight session as renewed tensions in the Middle East are further stoking supply disruption fears. Overnight, Wall Street wavered as the S&P 500 moved closer to eclipsing the 5,000 mark. Our call of the day suggests Nifty's 22,000 psychological level now proves something of a major hurdle. But we suspect bulls are likely to regroup at lower levels, as the bullish consensus still suggests that there is more upside to come. Global cues are mostly positive. FIIs in yesterday's trade sold to the tune of Rs 4,934 crores. DIIs bought to the tune of Rs 5,512 crores. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Sentiment is likely to be risky. Nifty's technical suggesting a massive consolidation play. F&O data suggests the likely trading range for Nifty to be between 21,300 to 22,500 zone. India VIX has spiked towards 15.82 levels. Nifty PCR, 15th February, 0.73. Nifty PCR, 29th February, 1.24. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th February, 0.87. Nifty's outlook for the day: volatile and choppy trading session is quite likely. Nifty CMP 21,718. Support 21,600 to 21,500. Resistance 21,900 to 22,000. Range 21,600 to 21,900. Bias sideways. Bank Nifty CMP 45,102. Support 44,600 to 44,400. Resistance 45,800 to 46,000. Range 44,600-4,5800. Bias sideways. In yesterday's trade, Nifty tumbled around 1% and most importantly, Bank Nifty nosedived 1.53%. Blame it on RBI's monetary policy, which failed to enthuse bullish investors. The negative takeaway was that Nifty Private Banks Index dived to 0.5%. Nifty PSU banks, however, jumped 2% higher on expectations of mark-to-market gains on government securities held by them. Long story short, market turns volatile cautious amid a lack of clarity on the inflation outlook. Q3 earnings to trickle in today: Alkem, Bandhan Bank, Godrej Industries, Hiromoto Co., IRFC, ITDC, MRF, Pi Industries, SJVN, Tata Power, Zydus Life. Meanwhile, Biocon Q3 net profit came in at 660 crore rupees as against a net loss of 42 crore rupees in the same quarter of the previous year. Biocon reported a 50% year-on-year growth in revenue of 4,519 crore rupees, beating Street's estimates. This growth is driven by 65% growth in biosimilars and 9% growth in research services.